Hello friends, I am Anurag Bhandari, Racon System, Faridabad, and we are manufacturer of server racks, networking racks and other IP55, IP65 and IP66 outdoor enclosures for many projects like smart city, city surveillance, IT, telecom and many other projects which is related to infrastructure, especially for IT and telecom infrastructure. Today I am demonstrating you one of our outdoor cabinet. This is IP55 6U height cabinet, and this is the most usable cabinet in the most of the CCTV surveillance projects, like in ITMS, like in any other small CCTV projects as well. And this is you can see this is a 6U cabinet. I will start with the 6U, and this is our brand logo. Here we mention the warranty, the part code, the serial numbers and the manufacturing date, right? And as you can see, this is a fully powder coated. We use RAL 7035 light grey color powder coating, and this is pure polyester powder coating. This is the lock. This is the butterfly lock. We keep single lock in 6U and dual lock in 9U and 12U and so on. And this is, you can see, this is the hood with the proper ventilation and the lower side also. And this is the canopy. This side I'll show you from inside also. And these are the cable entry glands. These are the cable entry glands. Both sides we give provision in front and back both sides, because once cable insert into the cabinet, so we don't know exactly from where the cable is coming. So we give provision for the front, like sometimes most of the fiber LIUs and all these have the front mounting cables also, and some has power cables from back side also. So we need to give provision in both sides. We need to give provision in both sides. And now I will open the cabinet. Now we have opened the cabinet, and now you can see these two fans are mounted on the door. And for the reason behind is we can mount these fans in side wall also, but we mount here. The reason is once we fill all the racks, all the U are equipped with the equipments. So if sometime fan got any problem or we need any replace to fan, then that time we not need to remove all the active components or any component from the rack. We just need to change the fan from here. So we can easily remove the fan and install them again. Here is the outlet hood. From here it sucks the hot air and it throw the outside, right? And again, this is the earthing bar, and this is the padlock provision. Here we can use our normal padlocks for extra security. And again, from inside you will see we provide 6 socket 5 amps power sockets. Sometimes it's as per the project requirement we do provide 32 amps MCB also with the higher rating of sockets. And there is a one cantilever tray inside, and a PG cable gland is there. And in the side walls, in the side wall you can see the one filter and the second filter. We provide 2 filters in it, and in the back side you can see we give DIN rail mount for any MCB. Sometimes for the raw power we need MCB like 32 amp, 10 amp or whatever it is the requirement as per the power requirement. So people technical person can mount MCB there. And so this is the features, and we have given 2 filters in 6U racks. In this smaller rack we provide single filter and single fan due to its low height and low usability. And from the 6U onwards we provide 2 fans and 2 filters. In most of the cases where the project requirement is 4 fans, 6 fan even, we do provide that kind of solution also. And now I will go to the you can see it's already hanging over the poles, so it's a completely pole mount cabinet. And now I will show you how it is hanged from the back side. Just show the pole mount provision. Come. So you have seen the pole mount provision of this rack. And I'm very happy to say that we started in 2013, and we started this brand in 2013, and today in 2020 or 2019, and the end of 2019 and starting of 2020, we have started exporting our products to many countries from India, like Saudi Arab, South Africa, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and other Maldives, and so many countries, Sri Lanka as well. Yeah. And so this is all about our cabinets. This is the entry level cabinet, not exactly entry level, but in most of the projects 6U is the entry level cabinet. 4U has this is the below, you can see, this is the 4U cabinet. This has a lower height basically, and depth and width is standard. In every racks, width is standard, like 19 inch for the 19 inch equipment. And if you need any specific dimension, so we can customize as per the project requirement as well. And now I'll show you the 4U as well. This is the simple 4U, and we have keep the provision for single fan is there, because most of the people keep single switch here, so removing single switch is not a big problem. And once the PDU and everything, even in 6U we provide other facilities, like other features, like this is based totally, actually this product is totally based on customer requirement, the project requirement. So it's a standard product. If in case if any projects is required, there are some environmental monitoring systems like SNMP and all these things, so we do provide that also. And we have some remote monitoring options also. And apart from this, for a simple feature like LED on door opening and buzzers, and these features we provide in all the cabinets. And we can customize as per the customer requirement as well. Whatever the like power requirements, any sensors and all these things we provide with the racks. Now we have closed this cabinet, and you can see this is a good looking cabinet. Again, I said Raycom always keep concentrating on its design. We pay special attention to our designs. It looks different, it looks good from any other brands. And India, being an Indian manufacturer, I do proud on my products. And so far we have provided our products to many smart cities in India. Is already running, many smart cities already running, many CCTV surveillance project also we have supplied to, like police projects, army projects, and many smart cities. And small requirement are always going on. So this was today a demonstration for my 6U, and in my next video I will come with the 12U and 15U cabinets for them. Bye. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video.